All right, here we are. Non-right angle trigonometry. First example, we are actually starting with right angle trigonometry. So just to begin with, on this particular one and possibly on the ones you've got, there's a mistake. There should be a 10 there. That's been deleted accidentally. All right, we're ready to start. So still going to use the four-step process or five-step process that I talk about all the time. Draw a diagram if you need to and label it. Then write down the formula, write down what you know, substitute in, solve. So let's have a look. We actually have a diagram and we're going to label it first. So theta, opposite, and hypotenuse. So we're using standard trig. So we're going to use that formula. So we know that sine theta equals opposite over the hypotenuse. So we've written down our formula. So we know our theta is 35 degrees. We know our opposite is x, and we know our hypotenuse is 10. So all we're going to do is substitute that in. So sine of 35 equals x over 10. We rearrange that so that we get x on its own. So we multiply both sides by 10. And we get 10 sine 35 equals x, which you guys will chuck into your calculator. And you will get 5.735. So x equals 5.735, blah, 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 blah. And it says 3 decimal places, so I should have probably gone 764 and do that. And into 3 decimal places, we're going to be at 5.736. It hasn't given us a unit, so we're just going to leave it as 5.736. But if it was meters, the main thing to remember is when you're doing this, you're finding the length of an unknown side, so your answer is in meters or it's a length, not degrees. And that's about it on that one.